Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I'm going to do a grand experiment and went through the box of track that I've got and pulled out the very worst track that was in the box. As you can see, it is completely covered in oxide. The pins are missing on almost all of them, and just generally useless track. So dug out the worst stuff I could find, and I'm going to dunk this down in vinegar, of course, and derust this. May take 24 hours, may take 48 hours. I'm not really sure. So there we have 4 gallons of 5% white vinegar. Now I've already derusted one entire layout in this. So we just drop the track in to the vinegar. And let it set. That's all we have to do. It'll take at least 24 hours, very likely longer than that. And it just depends on how bad the track is you're trying to derust. But the nice thing about doing it this way is, first of all, it's not toxic. Secondly, you don't have to do anything mechanically to the track. You just drop it into the vinegar. And when the pins are removed, it not only derusts the outside of the track, it derusts the inside as well. So all the holes will be super conductive once you've cleaned that track. So anyway, just dropped it in there, and like I said, I derusted a complete layout with this. And this is still good for, I don't know, probably several more uses. And instead of pouring it out when you're done with this, when it loses its strength, pour it back into the bottle and use it for pouring on weeds in your driveway. Just anything that's growing up through a crack, just douse it with this stuff. It's non-toxic. Come back the next day and the weed is dead. Anyway, just easy way to reuse this for something else rather than dumping it down the drain. So you can see it's starting to clear up a bit, and in the next, because now you can see how really rusty it is once you get it wet. In the next day or so, I'll just let this set until all this rust is gone. However long that is going to take. Figure this is sitting here empty, it may as well be working. So we will see how this looks in 24 hours, and I'll check it in 36 hours, I'll check it in 48 hours, see how much rust or oxide we can get off of this track. It's going to be an interesting experiment if nothing else. Anyway, just I'll do a video as we go to see what this actually looks like when it's finished. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com, and as always, thank you for watching.